Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will share with you guys how I prepare this colorful delicious chicken sauce. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some diced bell pepper, and I have ginger and garlic paste and scotch bonnet pepper. I have some onion. I have chicken thigh which is already cut in small pieces. I have some spice as well, and I have blended tomato. Before we start cooking, I just want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for the love, for the support. I did not take it for granted. God bless you all. I added the chicken into the pot, and I had some onion and some ginger and garlic paste, curry powder, black pepper, white pepper, some thyme and seasoning cube and some salt, and I will go ahead and stir them together. I'll go ahead and add some water, stir them together, cover and allow to cook. And I will also leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you are interested, you can check it out. The chicken is already boiled right now. I will just stir it together, set aside and go ahead and fry it. The chicken is perfectly fried. I will remove it from the oil and set aside. I added some of the oil that I used to fry the chicken in a pan, and I add the onion, and I fry it for about 2 minutes just for the onion to release the flavor into the oil, and I will add the blended tomato. And the reason why I'm using tomato is just that I want the chicken to have a little bit of sauce when it is done. I will add the scotch bonnet pepper, stir them together, cover and allow to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Added more curry powder and thyme and chicken stock, and I stirred them together and I tasted it and everything was perfect. I don't need other seasoning, but if you need, feel free to add. Right now I'm going to add the chicken, stir them together, cover and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This is 7 minutes later. I'll go ahead and stir the sauce together. I add the diced onion and pepper. I will give it a good stir, Cover it and allow to steam on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want the pepper to be very soft, steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes. But I want the pepper to be very crunchy. I will just steam it for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, the sauce is done. Give it a final good stir and enjoy. You can have this with some pasta, with some boiled white rice, and you can have it on its own. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.